Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how to get royalty free music for free. So let's get started. So the site so this is the site in which we are going to get it. The website is called pixabay.com. Okay, so if you are new to the site, you can log in to become a partner, or if you want to create an account, you can sign up as well. So if you have some of your music art and you want to promote it, you can still go up there when you are already when you're already there. You can upload it. Okay, so I can see, let me for example type piano music. Okay, so when I type in piano music, you see the category of piano music. So if I want to choose in soft, calm or relaxing piano, I can choose depending on me. Okay, so one thing I want to also emphasize is on this particular track that you can see, this thing is called a content ID. It means that if you want to use this particular person's music for business purposes, it is going to automatically recognize and then they will strike you. So that is also another thing. So if I want to download this music, I'll hit the download here, then we'll download it. So as somebody that is creating content on YouTube, it is always advisable to download with the license, so that should, in case they want a community, if they want to give you a community strike, you have at least a backup of the license of the music. So one thing you can also do on this website, you can do many things like photos. Check here for photos. You can see a couple of photos, depends on you. So if you are a content creator and you don't have any good option of photos, this is the website for you. So there are sound effects, a lot of sound effects that you can add to your music. Yeah, there are sound effects, and there are also GIFs. Yes, so this website is a very good website for if you are upcoming content creator. Okay, so this is just a brief tutorial on Pixabay, and I hope this video was really helpful to you guys. So if you are new to the channel, please consider like, sharing and subscribing to my channel, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.